Secure your crucial files, keep them easily accessible, and share them from any location directly from your phone. Let's master Google Drive on your mobile device. Streamlining document and photo storage. Begin by installing the Google Drive app. Find it in your App Store. Open the application to find your Drive's main interface. To upload a file, tap the large plus button at the screen's base. A menu will pop up, offering various actions. Options like Upload and Create Folder appear. Select Upload. This lets you browse your phone's files. Choose the file you want to upload, whether your photos, videos, documents, anything. Once selected, the upload initiates. You'll see its status via notifications. Your file is viewable within Google Drive after uploading. To share, tap the three dots next to the file. This presents a new menu. Choose Share. Initially, file access may be restricted. To grant access, tap Restricted to modify the sharing settings, allowing either anyone with the link or specified individuals access. Selecting anyone with the link simplifies sharing. The link is generated. You can paste it into an email or text, or share through other apps. Congratulations on becoming a mobile Google Drive user.